signs at me with a smile designed to put me in some wild mind state, weak in the brain, a child. Travel back 8 years, here I am compiled, and that shit ain't usually my style. Is it bad or am I going through denial? I'm filed in the courtroom, piles and piles of misjudging and misbehaviour. I'm vile. Now it's like she's a shot, I'm the chaser. It's felt this way for a while and I hate her again. She smiles, I love her, I face her, I tell her forever. Meanwhile, I shake her up. Mind state fuck, like Child's Play 1. We might break up, nah, never. At night wake up, her eyes stay shut and I stay messed up. I'm sleep deprived and it bleeds me dry and it keeps me blind till the sunshine hits. She is in my mind, she is in my life. Still it eats inside, I'm never free from it. What is wrong with me? Why are we still on this street? Hate or love, no in between. We break up, make up, stay together, stay forever. What is wrong with me? Why are we still on this street? Hate or love, no in between. We break up, make up, stay together, stay forever. You're a drug to me and I'm addicted. Split decision, anger, I flip shit. Pain, it hurts, still I inflict it. Forgive me, I trip and I slip sometimes, but I mean every word when I tell you the good. Bloodshot eyes stare under the hood. I turn and I burn all covered in soot, constantly looking for more trouble to push. Our love is the crook, our hate is the reason kaput. Anything they say you believe them is talk the wrong way daily. Play me the hook, nah wait, just look, this is crazy. Let me say what I have to say. I really wish we could just relax someday, but it still could happen, babe. Have some faith, I'm just sorry that I sometimes acted strange. What is wrong with me? Why are we still on this street? Hate or love, no in between. We break up, make up, stay together, stay forever. What is wrong with me? Why are we still on this street? Hate or